Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on mobile smoothly. First, let's get your device ready. Close any applications running in the background to free up valuable system memory. Also, make sure your mobile device has at least 2 GB of available storage space. Finally, always connect to a strong, stable Wi-Fi network for the best performance, aiming for speeds above 25 megabits per second. Next, we'll adjust Roblox's in-game settings for smoother gameplay. Navigate to the settings menu within Roblox and find the graphics options. Lower the graphics quality to a setting like manual and then choose a lower level. Disable demanding visual effects such as shadows and reflections. Reducing the render distance will also significantly decrease the processing load on your mobile device, leading to a much smoother experience. Maintaining your device is crucial for consistent performance. Always keep your mobile operating system updated to the latest version for optimal compatibility and bug fixes. Regularly clear the Roblox applications cached through your device settings. This can prevent accumulated data from slowing things down. A simple restart of your phone or tablet before a gaming session can also refresh system resources and improve overall responsiveness. Finally, let's talk about network and power. Ensure your device is fully charged or connected to a charger while playing to prevent performance throttling. Playing on a stable Wi-Fi connection is always superior to mobile data, which can be inconsistent. For longer gaming sessions, consider using a cooling pad to prevent your device from overheating, as excessive heat can severely impact performance and lead to lag.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.